Okay, so we got a call about 4:30 this morning, and our client was just getting home from the hospital, had a brand new baby girl, and got new air conditioning when they get home. Not good. So we came out and we've got a tripped float switch, nothing coming on, and line is backed up. Primary drain runs here, master sink. So we're gonna get this covered up so we can get this cleared out. That sealed up because air is lazy. It's going to take the path of least resistance. So we're going to try to put some pressure through this line and get that line cleared for them. And if you don't cover that sink up, you could get a lot of nasty that comes back up in that restroom sink. So we've got our isolation valves here. Go ahead and isolate this one. That installed. Alright. Sounds like it had some give. Let's see. Feels like my air's going back, no restrictions. So we should be good to go. Oh yeah, that water flowing. Nice, nice. And we're also going to add our drain enzyme in there and everything just to help with that buildup. Alright. We've got our crazy water and our drain enzyme. Viper pan treatment is some good stuff. Get that in there. We're going to flush it down with our crazy water. Oh yeah, got some flow now. And let's give it one last little puff, just to make sure. Oops. Oh yeah, unrestricted. Reprime that trap. Okay. Carefully place our float switch because the unit is running and we do not want to cause any short cycling. All right. Bada bing, bada boom. Cool baby. So even with tape, still a little that escape sometime. Alright. So called in at 4:30, fixed in just a little over an hour. Here and fixed. So I'd say that's pretty good service. What do you think?
Am I a hero? I really can't say.